Think all CNC machines are the same? Think again. At BM Tech, we don't just make machines, we build precision. Our 4-axis CNC technology goes way beyond basic rotary attachments. It takes special knowledge and advanced software to unlock next-level performance. That means flawless complex parts, faster production, and unmatched accuracy every single time. From intricate designs to heavy-duty runs, our machines handle it all with ease. Want to step up your manufacturing? Contact BM Tech today and witness the future of CNC in action.